Okay. So now, so TE mode analysis. So we're going to find out so in TE mode, already I told, so the wave in the Z direction. So we have the Ez is equal to 0. Ez is 0, we have only Sz component. Sz is not is equal to 0. So from our Helmholtz equations, so already we know the wave equation for this in terms of Hz. So dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square. So plus dou square Hz by dou z square is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon into Hz. Okay. So from this you can write, so dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square. So already we know, so dou square by dou z square is the gamma square. So we can, since we have, so dou square by dou z square is equal to gamma square. I'm substituting this in our equation. We have the gamma square into Hz is equal to minus omega square mu epsilon E into Hz. So from this equation you can write, so dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square plus, I'm taking this in the right hand to left hand side and take Hz common, you can write, so gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon into Hz, that is equal to 0. So already we are using, we know, so H square is equal to H square. H square is equal to, so gamma square plus omega square mu epsilon. So from this, so from this equation becomes, so dou square Hz by dou x square plus dou square Hz by dou y square plus H square into Hz is equal to 0. This is our, so main equation. You can write equation number 1 or something here. So already we know how to find out the differential equation. So we can take Hz is equal to x into y. So let Hz is equal to x into y, and so substitute in above equation. Substitute in above equation. So already we know, so we can derive this like on previous case. So Hz is equal to x into y. You can write like this. So x is a component of only small x, y is a component of only small y. So like that you can write. So this is, so you can write, so dou square by, so dou square by dou x square, so Hz. So there you can write, this is equal to, so dou square by, so dou x square. So into, in place of Hz you can write x into y. So in terms of x now, so we can write y into, so dou square x by dou x square. So in the same manner, so dou square Hz by, so dou y square, you can write, so dou square by dou y square of x into y. Already I think this is done in previous earlier case. So x into dou square y by dou y square. Okay. Then substitute in the above equation these things, maybe equation 2 and 3. You can substitute in the above equation in equation 1. So 2 and 3 in equation 1. So same as earlier cases only. So you can write there, so y into, so dou square x by dou x square plus x into dou square y by dou y square plus, so h square into, so x into y, so that is equal to 0. Right? So now, so we can take xy common, then we can write, so take xy common, take x into y common, or divide with x into y. So what happened, this is 1 by x into, So dou square x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus, so h square is equal to 0. Right? So then we can take, so this 1 by x square x into dou square x by dou y square is equal to minus b square. Have you done up to this? P4? P4.
Sir, yes, sir.
Please note down. Over up to this point, then you go for the next
Yes,
page.
sir.
Right. Can I go for next one? Is it over? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Next. So then go for the, so then you can let us assume. So let us assume. So so this 1 by x into, so dou square x by dou x square is minus b square, and 1 by y, so dou square y by dou y square is equal to minus a square. Now substitute in the above equation, then you can write, so a square, you can write it is minus b square, so minus a square plus h square is equal to 0. So from this you can write, so h square is equal to, so a square plus b square, maybe equation number 4. So now the solution for the differential equation and solution for differential equation. So differential equation, then you can write x is equal to, so k1, so cos bx plus k2 sin bx, and y is equal to krc, you can write anyone you want, and here is k3 cos ay plus and k4 sin ay. Right? So now have our hz is equal to x into y, then you can write hz is equal to, so where x is, so k1 cos bx plus k2 so sin bx into, what is the y? Y is k3 sin ay, small y only, okay, plus k4, this is cos, sorry, k3 cos ay and k4 sin ay. So this is the final equation. I'm writing once again. So hz is equal to, so k1 cos bx plus k2 sin bx into k3 cos ay plus k4 sin ay. Now this is the equation. Now from the taking the boundary conditions, so same as the earlier case, so we need to find out the, so k1, k2, k3 and k4 values. The constant we are going to find out by taking the boundary conditions. Then finally we get the expression for the hz. Okay, so that we discuss in the next class. Okay, by applying boundary conditions, so how we can get the our hz value. So after hz, we need to substitute these things in our hx, hy, ex and ey. Right? So we will continue in the next class. Okay, we may leave now.